We have the state attorney, we have the clerk of court, we have the public defender's office. It is beautiful when you have grassroots organizations working in collaboration and partnership with government agencies in order to benefit real people, in order to benefit the citizens of Florida.
Amendment 4 was about a second chance at life, a second chance to feel and be part of a world, part of freedom, to have a voice and to be able to vote. And money and financial obligations, unfortunately, to the courts often blocked that road to freedom.
Returning citizens are a step closer to reintegration into our community now that they can vote and participate in our democracy in a meaningful way.
To try to figure out how we can operate under the color of law to ensure that people have access to democracy. And the 11th Judicial Circuit was one of those circuits.
The advantage that all of these thousands of people from all over the country believed in this cause that these men and women represent, that they invested in it, that they gave money to them so that they could go to court and eliminate those financial obligations that stood in the way of freedom and having a voice for those returning citizens.
That the Fines and Fees Fund is a reflection of the love of tens of thousands of people from all over the state, all over the country, who are rallying behind people who currently are ineligible to vote, and this Fines and Fees Fund is set up to help people clear pathways so they can become eligible to vote if they choose to use that.
Returning citizens who feel like they have a part of their life, their society, their community, they're part of their neighborhood, they can get a job, they're invested in their future, that they don't reoffend nearly as often as those that are still ostracized and kept out of our community. Simply put, that means less crime and less victimization.
In the time of COVID, when so many people are facing economic challenges, in the time of COVID, when so many people are being laid off, we're one organization that is remaining true to our mission, that in the advocacy of fighting for discrimination against, fighting against discrimination of people with felony convictions, we're doing it in such a way that makes our entire community a much better place to live, a much safer place to live.
This is the beginning of the road to freedom, of self-governance, and having a voice in those that govern them.